Hello friends, this question is from the test series of 2. In this subject name is networks and topic name is Laplace transform. In the problem, we have two circuits as shown. In the first circuit, input voltage is sine 10 cube t or sine 1000 t. In the second circuit, the input voltage is e raised to power minus 1000 t. Okay, and for t is greater than 0, this value of capacitor is given as 1 microfarad. And the question says that if I1t is equal to I2t, then find which of the following statement is true. Basically, we need to find out the value of R and L. This is L. Basically, they have drawn it as R, but this is basically an inductor. Okay, so we need to find out the value of R and L. In the problem, it is given as I12 is equal to I2t. So it's clearly we need to use this identity for this problem. It's a 2 marks question. So first, write down the KVL equation for circuit 1. So it will be VIT or first of all we can convert the input sources into the Laplace transform. We know that the problem is given as VIT as sine of 10 cube t. So if I may take the Laplace transform of this, so we know that the sine function, the Laplace transform of sine omega t is omega Laplace of sine omega t is omega upon s square plus omega square. It is a standard formula. So similarly, Laplace transform of sine 10 cube t is 1000 upon s square plus 1000 square. Similarly, for v2t, we have a function of e raised to power minus 1000 t. This is again a standard, where Laplace of e raised to power minus at is 1 upon s plus a. So V2s will be 1 upon s plus 1000. So now if I can apply the Laplace in the both the circuit but in the s domain, so it will be V1s or VIS will be equal to the R plus 1 upon SC times I1s, because SC is a capacitance or impedance across the capacitor. Capacitor will be replaced as a 1 by SC in the Laplace, and inductor will be replaced as a SL. Similarly, for V2S second circuit, my KVL equation is LS plus 1 by SC times I2S. So now if I can may find out the value of I1S, which will be if I if it will be VIS upon R plus SC, and I can put the value of VIS which we have just calculated here, 1000 upon S square upon 1000 square. So my effective IS will be 10 cube TS upon R into S plus 1 by RC times S square plus 10 raised to power 6 plus my I2S will be the capacitor has the capacitance of, in the problem it is given that my capacitor has a capacitance of, and I2S will be given as, will be written as S upon L S plus 1000 upon S square plus 10 raised to power 6 by L. What we have did, we have taken the L as a common here. This is a simplified expression, and in the problem it is given that my I1S is equal to the I2S. So if we use this relation here and equate both the currents, then you can see that 1 by RC could be related is equal to the 1000, and my L is equal to here 1. So it's like, and 10 by 10 raised to the power 3 by r is equal to 1 by L. So I can equate 10 by 3 by L is r is equal to 1 by L, and my L is 1. So my r is 10 raised to the power 3 or 1k. So my r is 1k, my L is 1. My L is 1 here because 10 raised to the power 6 by 1 and 10 raised to the power 6 by L. So by comparing these two terms, first by comparing first term to first term, we are getting the relation L is equal to 1. By comparing second term with second term, we are getting the relation 1 by RC is equal to 1000. We can use this also, but here I am using this outer term 10 raised to the power 3 upon R is equal to 1 by L. So by comparing these two terms, we are getting this relation 10 raised to the power cube by R is 1 by L. L is 1, so R is 10 raised to the power cube. So my correct option is L is 1 and R is 1k. C. C part is the correct option for this question. Thank you.